This is how we can erase all photos on the iPhone, and let's get into it. So you have a few options. So you can, for example, go to the Photos app of your phone like that. Make sure you zoom out the view slightly, right? So just you are not on this fully zoomed in page, but you can click on a select like that and just grab your finger like this and just drag it for multiple different seconds or minutes, even depending on the amount of photos you have. Just make sure you select everything like that. It might take a while, as I said, but once you do, you can tap on the trash can at the bottom, move the photos to the recently deleted folder, and then delete it permanently from that particular folder. Once you perform all of this, the photos will be gone for good. Another possibility is to erase the entire iPhone. Of course, you can do that by going to the settings, general, transfer and reset, and erase all iPhone data. Obviously, this will delete everything, not just photos, but it will also include all photos, which will be gone for good after this. Now, of course, outside of that, if you have your photos set or uploaded to iCloud, you can also manage that in the settings. When you tap on your name and iCloud, you can select the photos, and if you have your iCloud photos on the phone, you can turn that off, and those will also disappear from your phone, depending, of course, on how you have it set up. So that's how it works. Obviously, make sure your photos are backed up if you don't want to lose them, but that's everything I wanted to say. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe, and I'll catch you later.